My name is Dr. Satish Gupta, and I've been a consultant in ophthalmology since almost 45-50 years. Now, as far as the surgical modality is concerned, there are various ways of operating on a cataract. Days gone by, it used to be that we would remove the opaque lens and then correct the vision with a pair of glasses. The lens which is there in the eye contributes almost about 15 diopters of power to the eye, and this had to be corrected with corrective glasses which were very thick and distorted the vision. Last about 40-45 years, there has been a tremendous innovation as far as the correction of the vision after the cataract extraction is concerned, and that is the implantation of what is called an IOL. IOL stands for intraocular lens. It started with different kinds of lenses to begin with, but it has now progressed on to a stage where we do a cataract surgery with what is called as a keyhole surgery, which would vary from 1.8 millimeter to 2.8 millimeter wound size. Wound normally does not require any stitches. So it's a sutureless or a stitchless cataract surgery with keyhole pattern. After the cataractous lens is removed, one puts in an intraocular lens, corrects the loss of the power that the original lens contributed to the eye, and therefore the need for the thick glasses is obviated. The individual will still require glasses, but the glasses required will be kind of glasses which a normal person would be wearing, that the nominal power of the lens. There are certain kind of lenses which are called as the multifocal lenses, and these multifocal lenses are the ones in which the need for the glasses may be totally obviated. There may not be need for any glasses at all, either for distance or for near vision. This is a comparatively newer innovation which has come into being in the last few years. The keyhole cataract surgery is called as a phacoemulsification. Phaco stands for ultrasound. Emulsification word stands for emulsifying the lens. So with the help of the ultrasound, one emulsifies the lens and then removes this emulsified lens through a small opening in the eye. This phacoemulsification in the recent past has had another innovation, and that is that some stages of the surgery we do with the use of laser, and that is what is called as a femtosecond laser refractive cataract surgery. And in this, one can make the wound, or one can make the incision, as we call it as in our terminology, with the help of the femtosecond laser, as well as it produces an opening in the capsule, or that is called as an anterior capsulotomy with the help of the femtosecond laser. As also, it breaks the inner part of the cataract with this use of the laser. So therefore, the cataract surgery becomes much more predictable as well as much more safe with the use of the femtosecond laser. The advantages of this particular type of surgery is, one, it is far more predictable. It can be used in certain situations where doing the manual surgery may be far more complicated or difficult and can lead to some complications. The only drawback is that obviously this becomes a little more expensive. Cataract surgery costing varies quite a lot depending on the type of a lens that one uses, type of an intraocular lens that one uses, as also whether one is using the femtosecond laser or not. Now, if the use of the intraocular lens is that of a unifocal lens, then the cost of the surgery may vary anywhere between 20,000 to 60,000 rupees. If one uses a multifocal lens, then the cost of the surgery goes up to about 80,000 to a lakh of rupees. And if the femtosecond laser is used, then the cost of the surgery increases by another 40 to 50,000 rupees in different types of cataract surgeries.